Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see one short trick on integration. Okay, see here, dear students. Suppose the given question is of the form integration of x to the power of n into sine ax, or it is of the form integration of x to the power of n into, in the place of sine, if they give cos also, we can apply this trick. Okay, see here properly, x to the power of n into sine ax into dx, or x to the power of n cos ax into dx. If you solve by our as usual procedure by parts, u into v rule, then it is very lengthy process. So I will tell you one trick. Based on that, in your KCT you can solve this question very easily within 1 minute. For example, I am considering here in x to the power of n into sine ax form, that is x square into sine x. Observe here carefully. The trick is you write the same term as it is. This is algebraic term. This one is trigonometric. Write this algebraic term as it is. Okay. Now go on differentiating this term up to constant. Means last term we want constant. Go on differentiating. X square differentiation we know 2x. Then differentiation of 2x is 2. Now we got the constant. Stop here. Is it clear? First we have to start with the same algebraic function x square, then differentiation of x square is 2x, then differentiation of 2x is 2, then into, be careful here, into, don't write this function as it is, integrate this function, then write here what is integration of sine x, that is minus cos x. Then now integrate this one up to this, you write integration of sine x is minus cos x, then integration of minus cos x is what, minus as it is, integration of cos x is sin x. Next, similarly, once again integrate minus as it is, integration of sin x is minus cos x, so minus minus becomes plus, it is cos x. The important thing is you have to write alternative signs for each term. This is the first term, this is second term, this is the third term. Now you can write simplified answer. This plus into minus, you will get minus x square into cos x, then minus into minus becomes plus 2x into sin x, then last term plus 2 into cos x plus constant. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. Okay, this is the important trick. Then we will see this one also. Second one, suppose x to the power of 4 into cos x is given. What is our procedure? First write this term as it is, x to the power of 4, then go on differentiating up to constant. If you go on differentiating up to constant, what is differentiation of x to the power of 4? That is 4x cube. Then differentiation of 4x cube is 12x square. Then 24x. Then 24x differentiation is 24. Now we got the constant. Stop here. Then into, multiplied by what? Multiplied by cos x. Now integration of cos x, you write cos x integration is sin x. Then go on integrating this term up to this. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Then cos x integration, this minus as it is. Cos x integration is sin x. Then minus as it is. Sin x integration is minus cos x. Minus minus becomes plus cos x. Then integration of cos x, you will get sin x. The important thing is plus minus plus minus plus. Alternative sign is important. Okay, this is first term, second term, you can rearrange according to your options. Based on this, we will see one question which was asked in KCET 2019. Okay, see this question. This is appeared in 2019. Using this trick, we can solve this one easily. So here, this algebraic function x cube is given. What I told, first we have to write this one as it is. First we have to write this one as it is. Then go on differentiating. X cube differentiation is 3x square. Then 3x square differentiation is 6x. 6x differentiation is 6. Up to constant we have to differentiate. Here plus minus, then multiply, then integrate this one, then write. Don't write this one as it is. Here you write this function as it is. Here integrate this one. This one we have to differentiate. This one we have to integrate. Integration of sin 3x means that is minus cos 3x divided by, it is not x, so we have to differentiate, divide, you will get 3. Then minus 1 by 3 is outside, here minus 1 by 3. Then cos 3x integration is sin 3x divided by 3. So here 3 into 3 9, minus 1 by 9 constant is outside. Integration of sine 3x, what you will get? Cos 3x minus cos 3x you will get. So this minus minus becomes plus, then divided by this 3x is 3. Then after this 9 3s are 27. Then cos 3x differentiation is sine 3x divided by 3. So here plus into minus you will get this term as a minus, minus into minus you will get this one is plus, plus into plus you will get this one is plus, this one you will get minus. Okay, without simplification you can mark the options. If you observe here, it is first one. If you observe option, this one is nothing but minus plus plus minus. So this is the only one option available with this sign. If any other options are available, then we can go for that, or if you want you can simplify. See here, this one x cube cos 3x divided by 3. Then here this 3 cancels, you will get here x square sine 3x divided by 3. Then this becomes 3 1s are 3 2s are, so you will get 2x into cos 3x divided by 9. So finally last one, 3 1s are 3 2s are, you will get 2 sine 3x divided by 27. These are the terms, plus we have to write constant. This is our required answer. So if you know this type of tricks, you can solve answer easily within 1 minute. So just subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon, so that I will update the next tricks, so you will get the notification. Thank you.